Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best plastic shelves is probably one of the most versatile and affordable storage solutions available today, offering a practical way to declutter any space, from garages and workshops to kitchens and dorm rooms, and this 4-tier unit is designed to maximize vertical space, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to organize their belongings efficiently and keep their environment tidy. Number 5. Gracious Living 4-Shelf Storage Unit. Introducing the Gracious Living 4-Shelf Storage Unit, the perfect solution for decluttering your home. Its sturdy construction ensures long-lasting use. Crafted from high-quality resin, this unit is built to withstand the demands of everyday life. It won't rust, dent, or peel, maintaining its sleek appearance over time. Ideal for your garage, basement, or laundry room, it provides ample space to store all your essentials. Keep your belongings tidy and easily accessible. Setting up this storage unit is a breeze. You'll have your space organized in no time, enjoying a clutter-free environment. The classic black finish complements any decor, adding a touch of style to your functional storage needs. It's a practical and attractive addition to any room. What we like. This unit is built to last with its durable resin material that resists rust, dents, and peeling. If you need a reliable storage solution for demanding environments like a garage or basement, this is a great choice. Its sturdy construction ensures it can handle your storage needs for years to come. What people say. The shelves are easy to assemble and very sturdy. Great for organizing my garage, holds a lot of weight. The plastic is durable and the tiers provide ample storage space. Number 4. Gracious Living 4-Shelf Storage Unit. Introducing a versatile storage solution perfect for any room in your home. It's ideal for your kitchen, garage, or laundry room, helping you get organized. Need more space? This unit features a connectable design, allowing you to link multiple units together side by side for expanded storage capacity. Each of the 4 solid shelves can support up to 55 pounds, with a total weight capacity of 220 pounds. They are perfect for storing various items or displaying them. Constructed from durable plastic, this utility rack is built for long-lasting use. It resists rusting, denting, and peeling, ensuring it stays looking great. Setting up this shelving unit is a breeze. It requires no tools for assembly, so you can start organizing your space in minutes. Create a more organized and gracious living space with this practical storage solution. It's designed to help you live a more organized life in a home you love. What we like. Expand your storage easily with its connectable design, allowing you to link multiple units together. If you're looking for a flexible shelving system that can grow with your needs or you have a lot of items to store, this is ideal. It's also simple to put together, making organization a breeze. What people say. Easy to assemble, no tools required. Sturdy and holds a lot of weight. The shelves are deep and spacious, perfect for organizing various items. Number 3. SPACELEAD Slim 3-Tier Rolling Cart. Discover the ultimate solution for tight spaces. This slim cart is designed to fit perfectly into narrow gaps, transforming unused areas into functional storage. Its clever tiered structure accommodates items of all sizes, from tall bottles to daily essentials. Everything has its place, neatly organized and easily accessible. Glide it anywhere with its smooth rolling casters, or remove them for a stationary setup. Assemble in minutes with no tools required, and customize the shelves to fit your needs. Crafted from lightweight yet sturdy materials, it holds up to 30 pounds per shelf. The breathable mesh design prevents moisture buildup, keeping your items dry and rust-free. From bathrooms and kitchens to laundry rooms and small apartments, this cart solves storage challenges everywhere. It's the perfect organizer for any room. Its narrow profile is ideal for tucked-in stability, making it a perfect fit for awkward nooks and crannies. Maximize efficiency by using it as an embedded organizer. What we like. Maximize tight spaces with its incredibly slim profile and convenient rolling casters. If you have awkward gaps in your kitchen, bathroom, or laundry room and need to keep items accessible, this cart is perfect. The removable dividers also offer customizable storage for various sized items. What people say. The shelves are sturdy and hold a good amount of weight. Easy to assemble and looks great in my garage. The plastic is durable and the tiers are deep enough for most storage needs. Number 2. Gracious Living 4-Shelf Medium-Duty Storage Unit. Introducing a versatile storage solution perfect for your kitchen, garage, or laundry room. It's designed to help organize any space in your home. Need more space? This unit features a connectable design, allowing you to link multiple units together. Maximize your storage potential effortlessly. Each of the 4 shelves is ventilated and can support up to 100 pounds. This makes it ideal for storing various items, from laundry supplies to display pieces. Constructed from durable plastic, it resists rust, denting, and peeling for long-lasting use. Assembly is simple, with no tools required. Create a more organized and gracious living space with this practical storage unit. It's designed to help you love the home you're in. What we like. This unit offers robust storage with ventilated shelves capable of holding up to 100 pounds each. If you need to store heavier items or want better air circulation for items in your laundry room or garage, this is an excellent option. The included brackets for wall mounting also provide extra stability and space-saving potential. Number 1. SPACELEAD Slim Storage Cart 4-Tier. Tired of wasted space? This organizer is designed to fit into those narrow gaps, maximizing vertical storage with its intelligent tier design. It's perfect for modern, compact living. Need flexibility? It easily rolls on casters for mobile use, or you can remove them for stable, fixed shelving. It adapts to your needs, whether in the kitchen or bathroom. Keep everything in its place with adjustable dividers and convenient side hooks. The scientifically designed tier heights ensure even large bottles and small jars fit perfectly. Set it up in minutes with no tools required. It's lightweight for easy moving but built to hold up to 30 pounds per shelf. The unique mesh bottom prevents water buildup. This versatile cart is your solution for clutter in any room. Use it in the bathroom, kitchen, laundry room, or even small spaces like RVs and bedrooms. What we like. Optimize vertical space with its intelligent 4-tier height differential design and the flexibility to switch between mobile and fixed storage. If you have a variety of item sizes and need a solution that can adapt to different locations, this is the one. The mesh bottom also ensures good airflow and prevents moisture buildup, ideal for keeping items dry. What people say. The shelves are sturdy and hold a good amount of weight. Easy to assemble and looks great in my garage. The plastic is durable and the tiers are adjustable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.